You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I'm your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Only my neighborhood is now like multiple realities. Cool, right? Come to New York sometime. I'll do whatever a spider can.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
What are you tracking now, Jeff? Clearly a master of reconnaissance. Or chaos. Possibly both.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
The Master Weaver is not going to be thrilled with me for jumping around realities.
Stick 'em up!
I'm hit! Cover me!
Suckling!
Got it good.
Count it down! Armor. Cool. Let's secure this location.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Here comes trouble!
Ooh, gotta teach me that trick, Loki.
You're out of this one, Bucky. I'm hit! Cover me!
Got it good. Slow down. Listen, not myself.
Feeling good. Armor. Cool. Round and pound.
Beholds the God of Thunder!
Hey, we make a pretty good team.
Certainly do.
No webs needed.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Defense, huh? Okay, let's try it.
Oh, I'm fine.
Count it down.
Need assistance!
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up
Should
the
we push
momentum.
this thing? Round and pound.
Take everything!
Oops, found the bad guy.
Damn it, we're looking for.
Thanks, Penny. Stick 'em up. Yeah.
We'll get the tablet ready.
Yeah. Yeah, that put some pep in my steps.
Maximum pulse!
That's it! Don't let anything stand in your
Spider bomb!
Cure that hurt. Just as Gambit was looking for. Free.
I got your back. Thanks, Penny! Bombs away!
So close! This is your big chance!
Scan initiated. Visualizing activity detected.
Spider Fist is ready to punch! Nice! Count on me! Okay.
Spider mode!
Spider bomb!
Render me assistance. Cure that hurt. Our foes draw near.
You got them all!
Follow me! I know these streets like the back of my webbed hand.